Hey guys, what's up? It's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger, and today I thought it would be fun to do a what sold on Poshmark video. I am going to go through all my sales from this past weekend, so it will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it's going to be Poshmark only. Yeah, I'm just excited to share with you what sold and maybe how long I had it and if I would repurchase it again, and just share a little bit of insight into my sold listings. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I have my phone with me and I am just going to go through my sales one by one, and I can't show you the actual item because if you guys have watched my inventory video, which I will go ahead and link, I prepackage all my items in clear poly bags. That way they are ready to just immediately be shipped out. So instead I'm going to insert a picture, and that way you can get an idea of what the item looks like. So on Friday I decided to send out offers to my entire Poshmark closet. So it's the private offers to liker feature. I just made a video last week about it, and I did my entire closet on Friday. So a lot of these sales this weekend were actually a result of sending that out. So the first sale that I had is going to be a Millie dress, and it's a Millie sheath dress. It's kind of career style. It was a more recent style. The tag was more recent, and so I thought it would be a great piece to pick up. I have had this item for a long time. I would say probably 6 months it took me to sell, and I did price it on the higher end because Millie does retail for a lot, but I listed the item and sent out private offers, and I sold it for $63. So the item sold for $63, and I did give free shipping on that. Since it was a higher price item, I still had good margins. So after the Poshmark fee and the shipping discount, I made $43.91. minus the cost of goods. I'm not going to include that in this video. You guys know I don't share cost of goods. It's just a personal business decision. So yeah, $43.91 minus my cost of goods, which I was happy with, but it did take a very long time to sell. Millie, I just don't really pick it up anymore because it doesn't sell for me that well. We're gonna go on to the next item, which is a graphic tee. I love selling graphic tees. I love wearing graphic tees. This was a vintage Pink Floyd graphic t-shirt, and it was unisex fit. A woman or a man could wear it. I did have this one probably like 2 months, and I paid very little for it. I did send out a private offer and they accepted, so I sold it for $24. The Poshmark fee was $4.80, and then I did give free shipping on this one. So after fees and everything, $12.71 minus the cost of goods. So that's something I would still pick up all the time, my vintage graphic tees. I love them. The next item that I sold is a Trina Turk romper. So Trina Turk is not my favorite brand. I don't always pick it up. I usually only like to pick up the swimwear, but I picked up this romper not too long ago, maybe like 2 months ago, and listed it, and I sent out the offer for $31. Private offer. There was only one liker on the item, but she did buy it, and also I did offer free shipping because I did not have a lot of interest in this item, so I just wanted to go ahead and try and move it if I could. So after fees, I made $18.31, so that was fine. I probably wouldn't pick up the Trina Turk romper again unless it was something really, really unique. It's just not a brand that sells very well for me. Okay, the next item is a J. Crew t-shirt, and it's really cute. It says luxury item on it. I really liked what it said. It was linen, which is great for summer. I'm very picky with J. Crew. It does not move super fast for me. There's a lot of oversaturation in the market, but if it's a recent piece, if it's trendy, if it's really cute like this t-shirt, I will pick it up. So this item, again, I sent out an offer. It had a lot of watchers, and it sold for $27 minus the Poshmark fee, and then I did give the discounted shipping of $1.50 off, so it wasn't free shipping. I earned $20.10 minus the cost of goods, so that was a great purchase. I would definitely pick that kind of graphic tee up again because, again, it sold pretty quickly, maybe in like 2 months. Okay. Next up is Free People, which I love my Free People. This top, it's an eagle graphic tee, kind of oversized. I really like their graphic tees as well, and I picked this up maybe 2 months ago, so I haven't had it listed for too long, and it sold through the offer feature. No, it didn't sell. It sold, they made an offer to me, so I had it listed at $35. They offered me $30 and I took it. So minus the $6 Poshmark fee, I made $24 minus cost of goods. And again, I would definitely pick that up. Next up is a Madewell dress. So it's a Madewell denim dress. I love selling Madewell jeans, and the denim dress is like, you know, very similar to that. So I picked this up at a consignment sale about 3 weeks ago maybe now. So it's been listed maybe 2 weeks, and it did sell through the offer. It had a ton of watchers, but I wanted to go ahead and move this. So I offered the discount. It sold at $63, and I did offer free shipping on this piece because, again, my margins allowed for it and I knew that would help to sell it quickly. So it sold and I got $43.91 after fees. So I definitely would pick up a Madewell denim dress again. The next item, and we're still on my Friday sales, the next item is a Mota international dress, and I wasn't sure, I think I showed this in a haul maybe a month ago. I wasn't sure when I grabbed it how it would do, but it did get a lot of likes pretty quickly. So I sent out the private offer and they accepted, and it sold for $28 minus a $1 shipping fee, $1.50 shipping fee, and then the Poshmark fee, I made $20.90. I would probably pick that up again because it did sell pretty quickly. Next is a Free People floral, no, it's not floral, it's a white lace like trapeze style dress. I pick these up whenever I see them. They do sell pretty quickly. I had this one a little longer, maybe 3 months, because it was plain. Usually the printed ones sell faster, and they made me an offer and I accepted. So they offered, it was $32. I think I had this one listed at $40. So that's 20% off, not bad. And then minus the Poshmark fee, I got $25.60. So I would definitely pick that up again. The next item is a Victoria's Secret top, and this one my grandma actually sent to me, so you probably saw it in my last haul video. It had sequins on it, and I think I listed this one at $25, and we went back and forth. She had made some offers, and I accepted her offer of $15 because I kind of wanted to move that quickly. While I like pink, it's not exactly on brand with everything in my closet, so I made $12 after the Poshmark fee. Okay, next is a dress, and it's, I don't know if you pronounce it Cameo Collective or Sameo, because it's C/MEO Collective. It's a dress I actually picked up at the Anthropology Free People outlet store in Augusta. I went there back in November, so I've had this dress since November. They retail for a lot. I thought it was a beautiful dress and it had a lot of likes, but it just wasn't moving. So when I made offers, I sold it for $52 minus the Poshmark fee, and I did offer free shipping because, again, I was trying to move it. So I got $35.11. I don't know if I would pick this brand up again. I don't know if I've even seen it since November, so it's an okay brand to me. I mean, it still sold for a good amount. It just took a while. Okay, next we have a Zara Tweed suit set. So I thought this was cool when I picked it up. I think I got it at an estate sale, but I have had it probably for like 3 or 4 months now, so I have had it for a while. It was a matching set and it's an extra large, so I thought that would do well. It did take me quite a while to sell, but someone did buy it when I sent out the offer to likers, and I sold it for $40. I also added free shipping on there, so I netted $25.51 minus my cost of goods. Yeah, but I don't know if I would purchase that again because it did take a while to sell, so maybe not suits from Zara, but I do like selling like Zara dresses and tops and things like that. The next item is a Free People tunic top, and this one I just showed in my most recent consignment sale haul, my best haul ever. I'll link that as well. But yeah, it sold pretty quickly. I sent out offers because, like I said, I send it out on my entire closet once a week, and they accepted the offer. It sold for $63, and I gave a $1.50 shipping discount, so I made $48.90 after the fees, and that sold in a week, so it sold pretty quickly. I'm very happy with that. I would purchase it again. Okay, so that was it for my Friday sales. So now we are on to Saturday sales, which the offer was still continuing because it goes for 24 hours. So some of these will still be from that offer feature. And the next item is a Free People jacket. It's like a sweatshirt kind of knit jacket. Again, I sent out an offer and it sold for $28. I did offer a $1.50 shipping discount and I netted $20.90 after the fees. So I would probably buy that again. I think I sold it in a month, but it didn't go for as much as I thought it would, so I wouldn't pay up for it or anything like that. I would just pay like a regular thrift store price because obviously it was a little bit smaller of a margin on that one. The next item that I loved this dress. I actually sourced a bunch of these online probably like 6 or 7 months ago. I have had this style dress for a long time and I still have some left, and yeah, it was an online purchase from like a discount site, so I got a pretty good deal on it, but I sent out offers and I'm trying to move them because they've been in my closet forever, and I sold one for $39. I did offer free shipping, so I netted $24.71. I don't know if I would pick up this particular type of style again for Free People. Now I look online and I see like a ton of them listed, so yeah, I don't know, that one wasn't my best buy, but I still made a profit, so I'm still happy with it. The next thing I sold is a bundle. So I did sell a bundle to someone. She sent me an offer on 2 items and I accepted her offer because it was very reasonable. So for the bundle, it was a Le Sport Sac bag that I showed in one of my recent grandma thrift hauls, and also a Anthropology 1 September cardigan. So I had the bag listed at $40. I had the sweater listed at $50. So that was a $90 bundle. She offered me $75 and I accepted. I thought that was very reasonable. So I netted $60 after fees. I would definitely repurchase both of those items again. The next thing is a pair of shoes that I probably have had for 8 or 9 months. I got them last summer when Nordstrom Rack was having a huge like 50% off their boot clearance, and I don't know why these took so long to sell. I've sold pretty much everything else from that sale, but these did have like a few scuffs even though they were brand new, so maybe that's why. But I sent out offers and someone accepted for $50. I did offer a $1.50 shipping discount, so I netted $38.50 after the fees. Still made a profit. I would buy these again. I don't know. I think it was just a fluke that they took so long to sell. Maybe I should have like relisted them with better pictures, but hey, it sold. Next is a Zara dress, and I got this like around Valentine's Day. I remember thinking because it was like red and I thought, oh, that would be great for a date night. So it's been since February listed and it had a ton of likes on it. So when I sent out my offers, oh no, someone actually, okay, so I sent out offers and someone countered me back like very little amount less than what I offered. So she offered $34. I accepted, so minus the Poshmark fee, it was $27.20. It actually ended up working out better because I didn't have to pay the shipping discount, so keep that in mind. If someone counters your private offer to likers, you don't have to pay the shipping discount, so it might work out better for you. I would still buy that again because it just sold in a couple months. And then next is a J. Crew polka dot popover shirt. I used to pick up like every J. Crew button down or printed top, but I don't anymore. That was like 2 years ago in my reselling journey. I've probably had this top for like 8 or 9 months now, and it took that long to sell. That's why I don't pick them up anymore. But someone actually made me an offer, so I had it listed at $35 and they offered me $31, and I accepted immediately because I wanted to move this shirt. So I made $24.80 after fees. I don't think I would rebuy it again just because it doesn't really go with what I am purchasing now, but obviously it sold. It just took a long time. Okay, next is a pair of jeans, which are my favorite right now, you guys know. So I picked these up retail arbitrage from Nordstrom Rack at one of their most recent Clear the Rack sales. So their clearance merchandise was an extra 25% off. I picked up only some jeans last time, and so these sold probably in 3 weeks, and They sold for $159. Someone offered me, I had listed them at $199 because they retailed for almost $300 and they were brand new. And so I accepted the $159 and Poshmark took their fee. I made $127.20 after fees. Would definitely buy these again. Like I said, denim is doing amazing for me right now, so I don't mind paying up a little bit because I know I can get a good margin on them. The next top is something I purchased from the Anthropology outlet in Augusta when I went back in November. It was an Eliza J, like cute little crop top, embellished. It took forever to sell, I think because the separates don't sell as well as her dresses. So for this one, I accepted someone's offer of $25 minus the Poshmark fee. I made $20 after that. So I don't know if I would buy the separates again. I think I would stick with the dresses. And that was on the 15th, so that was on Sunday, I believe. So we're on to Sunday, and then yesterday I also sold an Anthropology cardigan. So this is the brand HWR. I don't even know if they still sell that brand at Anthropology. I thought this cardigan was really cute. It had a bunch of fringe on it. It was textured, but it took a little while to sell. I've probably had this since December, and someone offered me $25, and I went ahead and accepted it because, you know, it's spring and go ahead and move some of those bulky items, and it didn't have a lot of interest. I would still maybe buy it again. I think it would sell better in the fall, obviously, but yeah, I just, I don't know, it didn't do as well as I thought. And then on to the next item is going to be a pair of shoes, which I just picked up in a consignment sale haul. I've had them listed for about a week, and the brand is Corky's, which I love selling Corky's. They have a big following because they're kind of a comfort shoe, but they're really cute. So those sold for $40. Someone offered me $40. I had them listed, I believe, at $50, and we kind of went back and forth, and I accepted $40, so I made $32 after Poshmark fees. I would definitely purchase those again. I pick those up anytime I see them, and those had a tiny scuff on them, and they still sold in a week for $40. And then the last item that I sold this weekend is a Free People top, and this I've probably had for maybe 2 months now, maybe a month and a half. And it was like an older style Free People top, but it had a lot of great embellishments on it and embroidery and like shells. So it sold for $25. I had it listed at $28 and someone offered me $25. I accepted it. Obviously that's very reasonable. And so I got $20 after Poshmark fees, and I was very happy with that. Okay, so that is everything that I sold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It ended up being 24 items, and the total dollar amount of sales was $999, so that divides out to an average sale price of $41.63. Now, after fees from Poshmark, their commission, as well as shipping fees, I netted $752.27, and that came out to an average of $31.34 per item. So I'm very happy with that. Obviously, that is before taking out the cost of goods, but yeah, I had a great weekend, and honestly, a lot of it was a result of sending out the private offers to likers and just creating a lot of buzz in my closet. I also listed a bunch of new items, so I think that helped me along as well. If you guys like seeing these types of videos, a what sold video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.